How to log into Triangle MasterCard. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to learn about logging into your Triangle MasterCard online account, which is an uncomplicated process that you can easily follow. So to initiate, launch your any preferred web browser and go to mastercard.triangle.com in the search bar. Once you're on the site, simply tap on the sign in button located at the upper right corner of the screen to reach to the login portal. It is highlighted in red color, you can see. Click on it, and here in the login portal you have to simply enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field, followed by the password in the second field. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply go to the link of forgot username and forgot password and follow the unscreen instructions to successfully retry or reset your login credentials. And if you like this system or the Google Chrome web browser to remember your username for the future logins, you can simply check this box over here. But if you're using a public or shared computer, you can just leave this box unchecked for the security reasons. And if you don't have an account yet, you can simply click on the Enroll Now option and after you have entered the correct form of your credentials, you can simply click on the Sign In option that is highlighted in red color, and then you will be successfully logged into your Triangle MasterCard. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your Triangle MasterCard online account. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.